Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, we will learn how to undo in Microsoft Excel. So let's get into the video. First, open your Excel worksheet. For example, we want to undo this data. In the top left corner of the Excel window, you will find the undo button. To undo the most recent reaction, simply click on undo button once. Excel will immediately reverse the last thing you did. You can also use keyboard shortcuts. You can press Ctrl Z to undo. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.